Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. If you want to speak English confidently, just like people in the United States and Europe, then this video is perfect for you. In today's lesson, you will learn daily use English, common American and British slang, and how native speakers actually talk in real life. This lesson is simple, clear, and suitable for both beginners and intermediate learners. So relax, listen carefully, and let's get started. Instead of saying, "How are you?" native speakers often say, "What's up?" or "How's it going?" For example, "What's up? How's it going?" Instead of saying, "I am very tired," you can say, "I'm exhausted," or "I'm worn out." For example, "I'm exhausted today." Instead of saying, "I don't understand," say, "I don't get it." For example, "Sorry, I don't get it." Instead of saying, "Please wait for me," native speakers say, "Hang on," or "Give me a second." For example, "Hang on, I'll be right back." Instead of saying, "I am busy," say, "I'm busy right now," or "I'm tied up at the moment." Now let's learn some very common American slang. The first word is cool. It means good, okay, or acceptable. For example, "That's cool. Cool with me." The next phrase is no big deal. It means it's not a problem. For example, "Thanks for your help. No big deal." Another common phrase is "I'm down." It means I agree or I'm ready. For example, "Do you want to watch a movie?" "I'm down." The word chill means relax. For example, "Chill, everything is fine." "That's crazy" means something is very surprising. For example, "You bought a new car? That's crazy." Now let's talk about British English. In American English, people say apartment. In British English, people say flat. Americans say elevator. British people say lift. In British English, the word cheers means thank you. For example, "Cheers for your help." The word mate means friend. For example, "How are you, mate?" The phrase fancy something means do you want something? For example, "Fancy a coffee?" Now let's fix some common English mistakes. Do not say, "I am agree." Say, "I agree." Do not say, "He don't know." Say, "He doesn't know." Do not say, "I am knowing him." Say, "I know him." Now repeat after me. What's up? I'm down. No big deal. Hang on a second. Cheers, mate. Great job. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment the word English. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.